writing was on the wall here with all this. They got this thing ran up over the 24 area, which I was wanting to see. You know, we're completely out. Even yesterday, you know, they pretty much broke the trend from the morning on. Once they can pull back into 76, I want to get some of that. One after the other, ripped through 46.70, ripped right through best price, head right back up into 95. Target's 47.20. I took just a few more. Okay, I sold one. I'm just trying to get rid of a couple of them here right around this PCL on the 60-minute. Just in case we don't break. If I get a bounce to 29, I'll get rid of one more. Sold one more. Got it. Freaking perfect. I don't want to take anything off. I don't want to sell myself short. But we start about another 5 minutes here. If we get a nice 5-minute candle up into this 70, I'm going to sell a little bit more. $7, $8. Let's go, baby. Come on. This has been a good payday already here. So I'm going to put my profit stop in the opening range here. So it'll be a couple of bucks. So my profit stop will be a couple of dollars still. Anyway, I just sold 3 more. I'm down to 5 contracts. What a freaking, and that's 15 points. The one I just sold was 15 points. I'm down to 2 contracts. I paid myself. My target was hit. The momentum's dying. I think a little consolidation up here is healthy. I wouldn't be shorting this. I wouldn't be expecting anything, you know, big pullback yet. I would look for some healthy consolidation up here and then a move up, right? Well, what is healthy consolidation? We need to hold the PCH on the hourly. I mean, that's going to be key. So any consolidation in up here over this 677, anything consolidation up in here is healthy. Even 5-minute closes. We start getting 5-minute closes. I want to see an immediate reclaim on that next 5-minute, or, you know, this thing will be, I mean, or the momentum's done and this could be the end of the move, literally. For this to work, it needs to stay up here and consolidate, let the 60-minute 9 catch up, and that's going to take all day.